Hi everybody, I'm making a problem solving video for you just to help explain how you can approach the problem solving tasks. Now remember, the problem solving tasks are challenging, and not necessarily because of the numbers, but because of the language and the way that they're presented. And a problem solving task is designed to see if you can take what you've learned and put it into a different situation. So let's have a look at what today's problem solving task was. It said, I made 24 cupcakes. My friend made 2 10s more than I did. My brother made 1 10 less than I did. How many cupcakes did each person make? Who had the greatest amount of cupcakes and who had the least amount? How do you know? A lot of words, and that's problem solving. That's the whole thing, is that there are a lot of words. When we get to a problem solving task, the first thing we do is read it. And then we read it again, because we want to make sure that we really understand what is being said. Once we've read it, we then need to pull out the key words, just like we do when we're reading texts that are fiction and non-fiction. You want to pull out the most important parts. Does it matter if the cupcakes are chocolate or strawberry? Nope. Does it really matter that they're cupcakes at all? Could they be donuts or sandwiches? Absolutely. The key information is the numbers and the maths vocabulary. And this is why we work so hard on maths vocabulary. So read it again, and on my whiteboard I'm going to write down the key information. I made 24 cupcakes. So I'm going to write down 24 because I know that that's important information. My friend made 2 10s more than I did. So I'm going to put F for friend, and I'm going to put 2 10s more. And that word more is super important. That's a maths vocab word. My brother made 1 10 less than I did. B for brother, 1 10 less. There we go. Am I drawing pictures of my friend? No. Do I care who my friend is? No. Brother, whatever. Key facts, key important information. Don't worry about all the details. How many cupcakes did each person make? There's my question. I need to know how many cupcakes my friend made, how many cupcakes my brother made. I know how many I made because it said 24. That was our starting information. So now what I have to do is I have to work out which strategy I'm going to use to solve my problem. Now in the classroom, we have our problem solving strategies poster. This is something that I will post up into our resource folder for parents so that you can access it. It is really, really helpful for you to be able to work through some of these problems. The key strategies that we have been talking about include make a table, draw a picture, make a model. Those ones are some of the most important ones to start with. We've also spoken about solving a similar or a simpler related problem. We've also spoken about making a list of things. Something like guess and check, we try to do in a more structured way. So we try to start with the most common thing that we know and then work one up or one down, but we can talk about that at another stage. For this problem, I don't think I need a table. I only have to work out 2 problems. I'm not really sure whether acting it out is going to help me, but I do think that I could use a number sentence to help me. So I'm going to have a look at this. So I need to know what this says. 2 10s more. I have to know what 10s are to be able to do this. This is why it's a place value problem solving task. If I look at my number 24, that's how many cupcakes I made. How many 10s are there? In the number 24, there are 2 10s and 4 1s. So I've got 2 10s. My friend made 2 10s more. What does the word more mean? Bigger, greater, adding, forwards. So I had 2 10s and my friend has 2 10s more. What are 2 10s and 2 10s? So my friend has 4 10s because 2 and 2 makes 4, but don't forget those ones. So my friend has 44 cupcakes because they have 2 10s more than I have. Did my ones change? No, my ones stayed the same. Now let's have a look at my brother. My brother has 110 less. What does less mean? Smaller, backwards, take away, minus. How many 10s did I have? 2. What is 1 less? So what is 2 take away 1? 1. So my brother has 110. Don't forget the ones. Ta-da! So I had 24 cupcakes. My friend had 2 10s more. So if I'm at 2, I go 3, 4. So that's 4 10s, 44. My brother had 1 10 less. I'm at 2 10s. I take 1 away. That leaves 1. So that's 14. So that's how I would solve my problem solving. Is it all neat and tidy? Not really, but that's what problem solving is. It's a bit messy because we think as we solve and we come through our solutions. Hopefully that's helped a little bit. Good luck having a go at the problem solving tasks. That's really using your growth mindset. Let me know if you need anything else. Bye guys.